How about you pretend that you're in a lucid dream, that you're just about to defeat the most terrifying enemy, yourself? Imagine that. You'll wake up a stronger girl. You'll wake up and be confident in your beauty, in your abilities. You're Polina Isaac. You just beat the Extreme Cuisine Challenge, and the hodgepodge can go screw itself. Let's see. This is definitely not alive. Do you think so? Let's take this and use it. What do you think that is? Let's just take it. I'm done with it. We'll take it, whatever it is. We'll cut it. And then we'll go back to potatoes. Sure we will. We'll do everything and we'll be fine. You can take this away now. Good job. She started to give orders. We're back to task number 1. And you know how many we still have left? Dear, there's a lot. Where are they? I'd love for you to try this one. I guess this one is going to be a question of time. We have plenty, though. You need to get the potatoes from the bottom of one of these jars. They're right in front of you. Time's ticking. You're ready. You can lower your hand and grab the bags.